and Kai Roselle. What is it gonna take for you guys to beat the Bolts today?
You see that nice guy over there named Cooper Heimbach?
Yeah.
That's our ticket.
Oh, that's your carry.
We both figured out really great ways to pitch. We were working on it before all of you guys got here.
So that's your dad?
What?
That's your dad?
Put his thumb up.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, you gonna pitch the whole series today?
Yes. Unless we play 3 games because I can't.
Okay, you pitch
This is going to be 2 games, probably like 20 minutes.
Sandcrabs in 2!
Yeah.
So you can see yourself in the playoffs?
Yeah.
How do you feel about pitching to Kenyon Evans? Does he scare you at all?
Kenyon, probably the best hitter. Probably the best hitter. I think he'll probably, I'll strike him out probably.
Oh, you heard it here first, folks, from YouTube.
Ball 4, take your base.
Ball 4. Cooper Heimbach with the first walk of the game.
Strike.
Ball 4, take your base.
And if me and Caden...
Like a
Strike 3, you're out,
So
kid!
then we didn't have the new pitcher's poison. Throw it faster.
Oh!
Fair. That's fair. Run, buddy. Run. Keep no.
That was fair.
That's fair.
Kenyon, stay! Stay,
Not done.
Kenyon, stay!
Get on the base.
Yeah, I know. He hit that all the way down the line.
That's fair.
Alright, so let me think. There's a guy at second and third.
Second, third, 1-0.
1-0.
Yeah.
That's second and third.
Yeah, man.
Wait, 1-0.
Series.
Strike 3, you're
That's
out, kid.
2
Sit
outs,
on the
your brain
bench.
Clean. Hey, we're broke, okay? Don't judge us. God.
Strike 3. I have Bo here, so we have to make Kai work on the editing and start cutting out people.
Let's go.
Here, let me show you how to throw a fastball that moves.
Play it. We get that rigged vibe from you.
See, bro? Where's
Tag
that?
him! Tag him! Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
Braden Quinn.
Hurry.
Strike 3.
Ball 4.
Yes.
We're off to a nice start to these
Full
games.
bases are juiced.
Bases are
Jason?
juiced with the money Malachi.
Oh, really?
Oh my. Oh!
Let's go. That's out of here.
Home run! Grand slam by Malachi.
Hey, will you drop kick him real quick?
Right here. Right here, Malachi. Let's go.
Not even on the team, but you know, I'm a friendly person.
Let's
Fuck you
go.
both.
Oh, yeah!
Oh shit, that's not another one. Okay, maybe not.
That's
Malachi,
One
another
out.
one? Buzz cut. With the fresh fade.
Oh!
Again?
That's out.
Get out.
Let's go. Yes, sir.
No, that was out.
It's not out.
That's fair. Oh!
Run!
Run, you chicken!
Guy on second.
Instant replay. I said we instant replay that. Why don't we instant replay?
He'll just put. He's out.
Malcolm.
Heimbach has a seizure. Dies on the mound.
He's out! Strike 3! That's 3!
Just third strike.
Hey, Malachi, that's when you get the scoreboard. I say scoreboard.
Ball 4, take your base.
Ball for take your bait, baby. Season 2 yet?
Yeah, I've watched one episode with Sydney, and then I watched another half of the episode with Sydney.
Oh.
When was this? Yesterday?
Yeah. Then we just rode around on the golf cart the whole time.
You have a golf cart?
You're like in the gang, man.
Hey, hold on. That was 3. That was 4. That was ball 4.
Bro, blitzball is way better than wiffle ball.
Oh my gosh, that's
We
a
should
nasty
switch.
pitch. Anybody got any chicken nuggets? Oh my gosh, get down! You gotta get down! Good job, you got a hit.
Hey, where'd the guy on first go?
Home. I didn't. I think. Was there a runner on second?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought Kenny was on second. He went home.
Runner on first and third.
Yeah, third. I'd say third.
Yeah.
Because if Kenny got home, then.
1 out or 2?
1. This is actually a good game.
This is a really good game, guys.
Yeah. Oh!
Brandon!
Run, Brandon!
Say.
There was
Nobody
no
was
runner
going
in
there.
third.
Nobody was going there.
Nobody was going there, guys.
Oh
At
my
first
God.
and second. 3, 4.
So first
1
and
out.
third. You said first and third.
Strike Victory's out!
Watching third strike.
Woo! 2 outs.
Can you run, Brayden, run? You are so slow. Run! Oh my gosh.
Gosh, wow.
You may be this slow.
Oh my
Oh, he's out! He's out! He's out! He's out! Oh my gosh! Let's go! Oh, that's not gone. That's not gone. Yeah! Oh my gosh, good stuff.
How the hell did that get out? Why did you not rob that?
Let's go! Hey!
Oh, good stuff, ladies.
Shit.
Our boy!
Get him, get him, get him.
Pitcher's mound. Out.
Out by a mile.
Let's go!
Oh,
Throw to the pitcher's mound.
Run!
safe, guy on first.
Oh my gosh, that's an ankle.
That was almost an ankle snapped in half.
That center needs to be 150. Left field needs to be 150. That's what Danny wants it to be.
Safe. Get out of here! That is a nuke!
You're getting carried. Shut up.
How am I getting carried?
God.
Let's go!
Valley.
Let's go!
Valley.
There you go. I say we play like the best of us on one team.
Hey! Let's go!
Bat.
Out.
2 outs.
That's the biggest fumble of my life.
Going again! Let's go!
Hey, he called
Heads up. Oh
he
gosh.
called that. Hey, Cooper, that's why I said you should have
That's
started
Mr.
the camera.
Opening.
Hey, he called that. Danny, see if you get that.
Let's go, baby!
He said 3 this inning.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
Hey.
Hey! End of the inning. Let's go.
Hey, what
Take a walk.
Nerve.
We're gonna take a walk. We're gonna take a walk, bud, to your mom's house.
Hey.
Good game.
Ball 4. Take your base. I went to beat up.
Oh, take your base.
Come on. Let's go, Cooper.
Brian, what are your predictions for this at bat?
I have no idea.
Hey,
It,
bases loaded, no outs.
it could be a
We
be
actually
a
got
hit.
one
Okay. Wait, I'm supposed to.
Are loaded, G.
out. Yes!
No, sir.
No, it didn't. No, it.
Sir.
You did not.
Sir.
Close.
No,
No.
it was close. It was at least.
Hey, Asher. Hey, Danny, we need some
Try to use this ball. Here. Just try to use that.
Danny, Danny, get him some water.
Huh?
Get Kenyon some water.
Don't have a good soak. Just have some-
Look, I'm actually kind of funny.
6-10, both making a comeback.
If I hit a home run.
Five,
Motherfucker.
4-1.
Yeah, get out of here.
Ball 4.
I need a ball!
Oh my gosh! Run, Cooper! Run!
Let's go, baby!
Bases are still loaded.
1 out. Let's go. Good decision.
Okay, 1 out. Does the pitchings matter? Ball 4, take your base, sir.
Don't do the pick.
Oh gosh! And he prays for the walk, as we can see. But that is another run in. Wait, where's it at? Ah.
9-10.
Yes, Let's go! Gosh darn it, Cooper!
Time out.
Let's go.
Kenya.
What are you doing? I'm so sorry.
What's the score? 10-10?
10-10.
10-10?
2 outs.
Oh! And he gets him out! Game over! Walk off! Now we have
2 more games. Hey, Kaden, go hold him down. Danny's gonna come in.
Brighton, close your eyes.
I'm not. No. I gave up
Close
one
your
more.
eyes so you get soaked.
Let me start.
Game 1.
Sandcrabs in 2. Nothing said.
Sandcrabs in 2.
Let's go.
Come on, dude.